Boldt HVAC offers expert furnace repair services in Lakeville, Minnesota 55044, along with a range of HVAC solutions, ensuring efficient operation of heating, cooling, and plumbing systems. Their experienced technicians provide reliable repairs and preventive maintenance, making them a trusted choice for maintaining indoor air quality and minimizing system issues. Are you looking for a furnace repair in Lakeville, Minnesota 55044? You can stop looking, you found Boldt HVAC. How much does furnace repair typically cost in Lakeville, Minnesota 55044? Furnace repair costs in Lakeville, Minnesota 55044 typically range from $150 to $500, depending on the issue's complexity and parts needed. Boldt HVAC offers transparent pricing and provides an estimate upfront to avoid any surprises. Does Boldt HVAC offer emergency furnace repair services in Lakeville, Minnesota? Boldt HVAC provides emergency furnace repair services in Lakeville, Minnesota, to address urgent heating issues. Their team ensures your home remains warm and comfortable, particularly during unexpected furnace breakdowns in the winter. What is the service area of Boldt HVAC? Boldt HVAC provides services at a variety of locations in Burnsville, including Apple Valley, Rosemount, Mendota, Bloomington, Newport, Cottage Grove, Coates, Richfield, Minneapolis, Eagan, Savage, Woodbury, Sunfish Lake, Maplewood, and Edina. Where is Boldt HVAC located in Lakeville, Minnesota 55044? We are located at 12651 Zenith Avenue South Suite 102. Burnsville, Minnesota 55337. Our phone number is 651-300-3050. Visit our website at www.bobvots.com/Burnsville-HVAC.